Welcome to Tasty Malayali, where coastal flavors come alive. With the rich aroma of coconut oil and the natural sweetness of fresh prawns, let's prepare a silky, spicy, and soul-satisfying coconut milk prawns curry. Creamy, flavorful, and deeply rooted in traditional Kerala taste, get ready to indulge in a luscious, aromatic dish that perfectly captures the essence of authentic home-style cooking. Take 1 kilogram of fresh prawns, cleaned and ready to soak up all those delicious spices. Heat a pan and add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, letting it melt into a fragrant base. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and let them crackle. Add 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds for slightly bitter. Add 20 grams of finely crushed ginger. Add 20 grams of garlic, releasing its bold, irresistible aroma. Add 20 grams of green chilies for that fresh, fiery kick. Saute everything until the raw smell fades into a mouth-watering fragrance. Add 200 grams of chopped small onions. Saute until they turn soft and light golden brown, sweet and caramelized. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder to the side. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Stir the spices well until the raw smell fades away. Then gently combine them with the softened, golden sautéed onions. Add some fresh curry leaves for that authentic South Indian touch. In the center, add 1 medium-sized chopped tomato. Combine all ingredients thoroughly, stirring continuously until they transform into a rich, thick, and irresistibly luscious masala bursting with deep flavor. Move all the masala to the side of the pan. Gently place the cleaned, fresh prawns into the hot pan, ready to absorb all flavors. Add salt to taste. Cook prawns gently until they turn soft pink, tender, juicy, and perfectly succulent without overcooking. Gently mix the prawns with the masala, coating evenly in the rich, aromatic, spicy base as natural juices release from prawns, making more gravy. Now add 100 milliliters of thick coconut milk for creamy richness. Add 1/2 teaspoon pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder for warmth. 2 pinches of jeera powder for a subtle aromatic twist. Drizzle 1 teaspoon coconut oil on top for that final glossy finish. Gently mix everything together, allowing flavors to blend into a rich, creamy, and irresistibly juicy curry full of delicious taste. And there you have it, rich, creamy, and irresistibly juicy coconut prawns curry is ready. Serve it hot with rice, ham, or near dosae, and savor every delicious bite. Authentic Kerala flavors on Tasty Malayali. Join us for more spicy, tasty recipes.